Hi, everyone. This week, we will have a word that we will focus on each day and connect to new words as we learn new things. Today's focus word is safe. Listen to me say the word safe. Now I want you to say the word. Nice work. And how many syllables does the word safe have? That's right, one syllable. Let's clap out the word safe. Do it with me. Safe. Nice work, friends. Now, safe. What's the first sound you hear in the word safe? Safe. That's right. And what letter makes the S sound? That's right. It's the letter S. And how about the last sound? What is the last sound we hear in safe? That's right. And what letter makes the F sound? That's right. It's the letter F. Nice work. Creating a circle map about words will help us learn more and more words. It will make learning new words easy and fun. So, what do we know about our focus word safe? What do you think of when you hear the word safe? Let's draw two circles, one small circle and one big circle. And in the middle circle, write the word safe. What does it mean to be safe? Well, how do we say the word safe in Spanish? Can you help me? That's right, we say a salvo. How about in Chinese? Can you help me with that? That's right, friends, en cuanda. And what does it mean, this word safe? What's another way we can describe the word safe? One way to describe the word safe is to be protected. Can you give me an example of a place where you are safe or where you feel safe? How about you use the sentence then to answer the question? I am safe at, I know one place I'm safe at, and that's at school. I am safe at school. All right, friends, let's get to our article a day. And maybe we'll learn more and more about the word safe, and we can finish up our circle map. This week, we will learn all about different kinds of storms and how we can stay safe when there is a storm. Today, we will read an article titled, "A Hurricane is a Big Storm." We will hear some words such as prepare, storm, emergency. How do we say prepare in Spanish? Can you help me? That's right, we say preparar. And in Chinese, we say 准备. How about storm? That's right, in Spanish, we say la tormenta. And in Chinese, we say 风暴. How about emergency? It's very similar in English. In Spanish, we say emergencia. And in Chinese, we say Jinji Shutian. All right, friends, let's take a look at these three words: prepare, storm, emergency. How do those three words go together? Well, I remember here in New York City a few years ago, there was a huge storm. In fact, it was called Hurricane Sandy. And many of us had to prepare for the storm by packing our bags and staying with a friend because the storm was so big that the lights in the city went out. There was a blackout, which caused a huge emergency in the city. All right, friends, let's get to our article a day. Let's start by looking at these pictures. What do you see? I see trees and a lot of wind. It looks like a big storm. In fact, breaking news, it's Hurricane Irma. Oh my goodness, I hope everybody stays safe. Remember, friends, we are going to read this article 2 times, so listen carefully because afterwards we will write or draw one thing we have learned to share with our class. So let's start at the top of the page. Hurricanes are big storms. Hurricanes bring lots of wind and rain. Hurricanes are spinning, right? Spinning storms. People can stay safe during a storm. They need to get ready before the storm arrives. They can prepare an emergency kit. What do you see in this emergency kit? I see a radio, water, batteries, a flashlight, canned food, oh, and medicine. And don't forget your toothbrush. People should stay inside when the storm comes. Yes, we have to stay safe and stay inside when a storm comes. All right, let's read that one more time. Hurricanes are big storms. Hurricanes bring lots of wind and rain. Hurricanes are spinning storms. People can stay safe during a storm. They need to get ready before the storm arrives. They can prepare an emergency kit. People should stay inside when the storm comes. Yep, that's a very good idea. All right, friends, now it's time to take out our book of knowledge. You can grab your notebooks or a piece of paper and something to write with. I will take out our class book of knowledge and we will write or draw one thing you learned to share with our class. Let's go to week 3, Storm Chasers. Day 1. The task is draw or write one thing you learned about hurricanes. Remember, friends, we can always go back to our visual word bank to help us spell any new words that we have learned, such as prepare, storm, emergency. So, what did we learn about hurricanes? I learned that if there is an emergency, I need to be prepared with an emergency bag. So I'm going to draw a picture of my backpack and all of the important items that I need. So one thing I learned is I need to carry water. So here's a big bottle, 2 big bottles of water. I also need to carry batteries. And my medicine in case if I can't make it to a pharmacy. I should also carry a flashlight and some canned food in case if I get hungry and can't make it to a supermarket. When I'm done with my drawing, it's time for me to label my picture. So this is my emergency bag. How do we spell emergency? Check your word bank. Can you help me spell it? That's right. EMERGENCY. Emergency bag. How do we spell bag? What's that first sound we hear? B. That's right. B. A. A. G. What letter makes the G sound? That's right, G. So now that I've drawn my picture and I labeled my picture, it's time for me to write my sentence. What is something we learned about hurricanes? Oh, I know. During a hurricane, we have to stay indoors and prepare an emergency bag. So that's what I'm going to write. Stay indoors and prepare an emergency bag. And how do we spell prepare? Check your word bank. That's right. It starts with the letter P. Prepare an emergency bag. And remember, if I don't know how to spell emergency, I can always check my word bank. Emergency bag. All right, friends, can you help me read my sentence? Stay indoors and prepare an emergency bag. All right, now it's your turn.